Hi everyone, hi, my name is Christina. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you are here, then I understand that you are looking forward to learn more about LeanBiome, right? Stay with me until the end of this video because I have some important alerts that you need to be aware in order to achieve your results and really don't lose any money. So basically, I was on my journey to lose weight and I was trying to get fit for years, and I finally feel that I have accomplished my goal. I have tried all kinds of diets, workouts, routines, and nothing seemed to work out. Even eating and sleeping well, I was stuck. So I went to my doctor and I love her so much. She gave me a sample of the supplement called LeanBiome. And since that, my life has changed for the better. So LeanBiome is a dietary formula that improves metabolic health and functioning. And what it does, it changes the gut microbiome and rebalances the harmful and beneficial bacteria in your body, giving you visible changes in weight control and appetite. Many people have asked me, what did I do to get thinner, to get leaner, and 100% reply that it's LeanBiome. It works. This formula is created with the utmost care and planning of every ingredient, and I thought you can get similar results by eating probiotics and rich food. Taking a supplement is much easier because it requires no effort. That's why people decide to take the supplement and change their diets completely. Also, LeanBiome is suitable for people with different dietary preferences. It has no common allergies inside, and the recommended daily dosage is one capsule per day. And for the better results, prefer to take it in the morning before breakfast. This way, the absorption rate is much higher. So here are my two alerts that I mentioned early. Stay aware of the website you're going to buy it from, okay? I am very skeptical, and I did a lot of research before I decided to buy my LeanBiome, and I saw that a lot of marketplaces such as eBay or Amazon is trying to sell the supplement, and it's possible what happens when you buy from this website or those places, it's possible that they don't even deliver the product or put some substances inside those capsules that's not the original one. So you don't know what you're putting into your body. So I reach out to the official website and contact the support team. And they assure me that the only way for you to get a guarantee you're buying the original product, it's through the official website. So to save up your time, I'll leave the link up below at the description of this video and then also the first comment, okay? Also, keep in mind that buying it from the official website, you're entitled of 180-day money-back guarantee. So it's 3 months to try out the product, and if you don't see any results, you can just ask for a refund. But don't expect expressive results taking only one cap. After a month, I did see changes, and I knew that I was moving towards my goal, and I was super happy about it. So imagine how I feel after 3 months. If you buy the product, do the exact treatment, do it correctly, and take it seriously. Be patient with your process, and keep in mind that each person reacts in a peculiar way, so you should stay focused and do the treatment as indicated by the product to obtain the best and optimal results. If you have any questions, you can leave down in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you. And remember, if you want to purchase LeanBiome at an exclusive discount, I've added the link of the official website in the description of this video, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video so this information is spread out to the people that are looking for, okay? Thank you so much. Bye.